Hey guys, we got the chance to meet with Mitchell over at Country Life Natural Foods and do an exclusive interview and walkthrough of their facility. If you're looking for a great place to start stocking your pantry, check out this video and stay tuned for the code at the end.
We started as sort of a faith-based organization back in 1960.
Okay.
So we've been around for about a little over 60 years now, providing healthy food options for people, first of all in our community, like locally.
Yes.
Right. Having healthy food options and doing community events, and then also obviously over the years have expanded. So now we sell foods and products across all 50 states.
So you're nationwide.
So now we're nationwide, so we're able to reach people anywhere in the United States.
And you don't have to be, some companies have a specific route, like a driving route where you have to be on that route or you have to go to a pickup location, but you guys go directly to the consumer's house?
Correct.
Okay.
So we used to have the route system, but then we realized people wanted our products all across
over.
the country. So now we have options where you get delivered right to your door anywhere in America.
How do you guys find suppliers or vendors? Like how do you grow in that area? Because I know demand is kind of an issue right now for some people in their products. So kind of how do you seek out these people to find good quality products to carry?
Yeah. So we have a whole purchasing team, and they work with partnering with farms, whether local farms or farms across America.
Okay.
We have some farms in Montana that we partner with for some of our wheat products. They have big wheat fields out there, or trail mixes and nuts, and so we partner with a number of different farmers that have similar values that we have as far as how do we make sure everything's based on fair trade and quality food products, because we obviously test everything that we sell ourselves to make sure it's up to the standards that we expect our customers expect. And so.
And how many employees does Country Life have?
So right now we have 45 employees. Okay. Mostly full-time, a couple of those are part-time team members. But yeah, so smaller business. But
it's all at this location?
Yes, this is our primary location. We have a few team members, obviously with the more remote work that do some stuff remotely, product development or
but
marketing.
This is currently the only site.
But this is our primary location right here in Southwest Michigan.
Okay, and it's such a beautiful little tucked away place. And you guys, I'm assuming as you grow, you're going to try to add more products and different things and expand into different things. Is it your preference to only have U.S. suppliers? Are you trying to break out of that to be able to get other products?
Yeah. So we've even with some of the supply chain challenges, we're having to partner with some farmers outside the U.S. But obviously we have strict criteria as far as the quality and making sure that they're as comparable, if not better, to some of our U.S. farmers. Some products just don't grow well.
They don't. I was like cocoa,
cocoa or
like,
mangoes
some
and some
mangoes.
things. Like,
you gotta branch out.
You go more tropical than some of the things that we have
here.
here.
USA, right? Okay.
A lot of the products we make ourselves, like granolas. We
mix them together.
We mix them together. We bake them. Some of the granolas, and so back here is where we repackage some of the products. This is where we come and
package
some of the products that we made and resizing them. This is like more of our warehouse space. Warehouse shop. So we have different refrigerated warehouse spaces that are at different temperatures. Here is one of our warehouse spaces that we keep products at around 50 degrees or so.
Yeah, I see rice and different things like that.
Rice and wheat berries, and then we keep, this is our coldest and our largest warehouse back here. Keeps the temperature around 42, 43 degrees, just so that way when customers get the products, they're in their best quality.
When someone goes onto the website and they put something in their cart, they check out, they are guaranteed that product. Like once they check out, it is set aside for them.
Once they check out, it's set aside for them. Every so often we have things that are out of stock, but that's pretty rare.
But that would show that on the website.
It would show that on the website. And if for some reason it was out of stock, they would obviously get refunded their full amount.
Right.
So she's dodging the bullet here, but there's a company that you might place an order with and put it in your checkout.
Okay.
But then it might not necessarily be allocated for you.
Correct.
This is more like a conventional online shopping.
This is a conventional online shopping. Yeah. So if you put it, that product is allocated.
You check it out.
Reserved for you. A lot of our products are delivered through like UPS or FedEx, but products here in the Midwest, we actually deliver mostly on our trucks. Because we're able to still get it there timely. So people in Michigan and Indiana, northern Indiana, Chicago area, Illinois, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. Those are the current states that we self-deliver, so they can meet one of our delivery drivers. Yeah, here at Country Life Natural Foods, we're really all about how do we make eating healthy easy.
There you go.
Yeah, so if you look on our website, countrylifefoods.com, you can see different recipes and different ways to make healthy food options, because sometimes people see wheat berries and they're like, oh man, that's intimidating.
Right.
How would I even attempt to make something out of that? But our site, we share ways of how you can eat and prepare some of the products that we make.
Right.
So that way.
So you take these bulk products and you simplify a way to actually utilize them.
To learn more about Country Life Naturals, check out the link below and don't forget to use the discount code in the description.